YouTube, do you want to finally break free and start actually making money online? I mean, really making money online? If so, stay with me. I got something super special in my review of Commission Map Pro. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, yeah, this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, good to see you again. You can say your crap thing, don't worry. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like the product, I'll give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you're new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Elizabeth. It's so nice to hear from you again. I haven't heard from her in a while, so nice to hear from her. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Commission Map Pro.
A treasure map.
No, it's not a treasure map. Well, it kind of is a treasure map. It's basically, it's a treasure map to learning how to actually make some money online. Now, I think I'm a little bit disappointed with this sales page, and I'll explain to you why. You can see here, last 7 days, $13,000, $1,200, $837. These are from Warrior Plus. Now, the thing is like this. Commission Map Pro, yes, they do talk about Warrior Plus, but the thing they really talk about more is what's called ClickBank. Now, if you're not familiar, there are, in the internet marketing world, at least in the make money online world, there are two main places that people usually sell products specifically in the make money online niche. One of them is Warrior Plus, the other one is JVZoo. And for more general topics, things like weight loss and dog care and who the heck knows what else, all those kinds of things, those things usually appear in places like Commission Junction or ClickBank. So I think it's a bit disingenuous when they put these pictures from Warrior Plus over here. But over here, this is from ClickBank. This is legitimate, okay? $5,000 in ClickBank sales. That's legitimate, 100%. Okay, this is also ClickBank sales. Again, you can see the kind of sales that they're doing. Now, this is legitimate. This is something that I can believe in, because when I take you into the members area, you're going to see what they're actually able to do there, and you can see that the numbers are genuinely available. Okay, and it's definitely possible to make a lot of money in ClickBank. And the nice thing is that you're not selling basically a course on how to make money, which is basically a course on how to sell people how to make money, which is kind of like a circle thing, and whatever. You get the idea. Anyhow. So before we get to this, I do have a really cool bonus to offer you guys when you pick this up from my link. Basically, one of the issues that you're going to have when trying to sell stuff, any of this stuff, is going to be that you're competing with other affiliates. Basically, you're the same as 100 other people who are selling the exact same products. So what you want to do is you want to make yourself look unique. So I'm going to give you two things. First, I'm going to give you my video involving what I call offer versus commodity, which is part of a larger course that I created earlier. It's a really cool video. It's going to show you how to really turn your product, turn your offer, to basically make an offer, something that you're going to be able to say, hey, I'm unique, I'm special.
You're going to be a special little guy, aren't you?
Yes, you are special, aren't you? Anyway, the other thing I'm going to give you is going to be something to get you started on this, which is basically going to be 10 of my own courses that you can actually give away when you are selling these other things. So you can actually offer a bonus of your own right off the bat. So it's going to be really cool stuff. And these are things that people actually spend quite a bit of money to purchase from me. I'm giving you to it for free when you pick up Commission Map Pro. So let's go ahead and take a look. At the members area over here, this is Commission Map Pro. All right, so basically what you can do is like this. You can search for pretty much anything you like. You can see here that they have all kinds of different stuff that they've found. And the nice thing is that 10 plans of blueprints for children's playhouses. So you can find the relevant keywords here, for example. And what it'll do is it'll actually tell you which keywords you should be targeting. And then you can actually go ahead and set up Facebook ads, Google ads, or Craigslist listing. Craigslist is free, by the way. You don't spend any money on it. It's really, really cool. And the nice thing is these are actual things, not, the usual, another course on making money online. Okay, great. Another course on making money online. This is actual stuff you can actually make some real money off of. And you can see there's thousands upon thousands of offers here. You can actually go ahead and purchase. Now, the front end is going to start at $17.95, which is not a bad price. It is going to go up every 60 seconds and every 60 minutes rather. And there is also going to be an upgrade for the unlimited version, which is going to basically bring you into, you can see it says here, upgrade to unthrottled version now. Basically, that means that you're going to be able to do unlimited searches for whatever you like. And you can also search for keywords over here if you want to search for, I don't know, weight loss. So you can see it's going to be here right now with all the different weight loss options. You can choose whichever niche you like. And she's basically going to have a set of video tutorials over here. You can see all the video tutorials showing you how to pick the right offer, free traffic methods, email marketing. Okay, all these things are going to be included for you for free when you pick up Commission Map Pro. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. So am I going to give the tip of my hat to the product creator? Yes, I am, guys. You guys did a really great job. And this is a really cool piece of software that's really going to help a lot of people out. I think that if you use it, you're really going to get a lot out of it, but you do have to buy it. You have to use it. If you don't buy it, you don't use it, it's not going to do any good for you. So go ahead and grab it, use it, you're going to love it, you're going to finally start making money online.